What if the next housing crash isn't happening where you expect, but in one of the most desirable states in America? Florida, once a real estate goldmine, is showing signs of something very different. Homes sitting unsold for months, prices quietly dropping, insurance costs exploding, and in some cities, buyers have simply disappeared. This isn't being widely talked about because on the surface, Florida still looks like it's booming, but underneath, a different story is unfolding. Florida saw one of the fastest housing booms in America. Migration surged from high-cost states. Home prices skyrocketed. Inventory vanished. Now, those conditions are reversing. Mortgage rates remain high. Insurance costs have doubled, even tripled. More homes are hitting the market, and fewer people are buying. Cape Coral saw explosive growth during the pandemic. Now it's facing a sharp reversal. Inventory has surged, and price cuts are becoming common. Too many homes, not enough buyers. Fort Myers is dealing with a double hit: high rebuilding costs and insurance companies pulling back. Buyers are hesitant. Tampa was once one of the hottest markets. Now listings are sitting longer. Affordability has hit a breaking point. Orlando's housing market is cooling. Investors are stepping back. Jacksonville is seeing demand slow down. Higher borrowing costs are hitting buyers hard. Even Miami is showing early cracks. Luxury condos are lingering on the market. Flood risk concerns are rising. Retirees are starting to reconsider. Luxury inventory is quietly building. Even fast-growing areas are slowing down. Across Florida, inventory is rising. Price cuts are becoming more frequent. Insurance is reshaping affordability. Migration is slowing. Buyers are no longer rushing in. They're waiting, comparing, hesitating. Looking ahead to 2026, risks are growing. If insurance keeps rising, ownership becomes harder to justify. If climate risks intensify, buyer confidence weakens further. And if supply keeps rising, prices don't just stall, they correct. Florida isn't collapsing overnight, but the signals are there. A market that moved too fast, now facing reality.